Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos. Today we're showing you how to edit and style text in your photo book. Titles and captions are a great way to bring meaning to your photos and shape the story you want to tell. To get started, just go down to the bottom toolbar and click Add Text Box. Click and drag your text box to place it anywhere on the page. Once it's placed, just double-click the box and begin typing. You can resize by dragging the bars on the sides or corners. You can also rotate by dragging the circular icon in any direction. Now, let's try editing the text. You can select a font from the drop-down menu. There are also options for size and color. The background color menu lets you select a color fill for your text box. If you want to make the text and background more transparent, you can adjust the opacity slider here. You'll also find horizontal and vertical alignment options to control how your text sits within the box. With text styles, you can quickly switch between customizable presets, from headline to caption. If you're working with small text, click the plus icon to zoom in while you type. Your text settings carry over to new text boxes, so it's easy to keep a consistent style throughout your book. And if you want to make a change, the editing tools are always available. That's a quick look at text editing in the Shutterfly Photo Book Builder. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.